said, I've never had a Corvette in my driveway. But if it was gonna be one, it'd be this one. I have never in my life driven a Corvette in my life. So my friend Cole here showed up with his Corvette. I thought he was an intruder that just wanted to race, because I have guys pull up to the house.
I just want to race.
And they're like, hey, what's up? I saw your car, let's race. But first I have to know my enemy. That's my thing.
I hear you.
Before I
see what the mama can do.
Yeah, before I even partake in something like this, dude, I gotta be honest with you, this is gorgeous, yo. I think people forget about, this is the C5? C6, yeah. Now, forgive me, I'm not a Chevy guy, so if I say stupid stuff, you can reel me in the comments, but I think this is classic Corvette to me, because I think the C7 kind of got away from, it looks like, I mean, for me, I'm a Ford guy, it looks more like a Ferrari. This is like straight up Corvette, guys. Clean, dude. Really? Yo, listen, like, honestly, I've been tempted a couple times to pull the trigger on some Corvettes because they're starting to get more affordable.
Yeah, I mean, I think the reason I bought a Corvette, because I like all cars, Mustangs.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
I grew up a Ford guy. My mom's had Camaros and Mustangs. My dad, he's a truck guy, but
got you.
I bought the Corvette because I felt like it was the most value I could get for my dollar.
Exactly.
Like, it's the closest thing I'm going to get to a supercar that I could afford.
Yeah. Like this, I've always liked this. Was this introduced on the Grand Sport, these fins?
Yeah, so the Z06, the Grand Sport, and the ZR1, they all have the fins. They're just, this has got the two. The Z06 has like a double stack fin.
Yeah.
The ZR1's got something different too.
Can we look under the hood?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see what she looks like.
It ain't too fancy under there, but.
Dude, no, I mean, this is a new experience for me, because again, I've never driven a Corvette. I've never actually reviewed one, so this is exciting. Oh, that's one of the cool little trick features. That's so clean. Look at that little Corvette symbol on the front. That's so recognizable. I think as much as a Mustang horse is, the Corvette symbol is like very recognizable. I'm used to seeing like Cletus's Corvettes and stuff where like the things are all. This is actually nice to see a clean one. I like to see a clean one. So what makes this so good with the LS3? You said it can handle way more power, way more boost.
It has more metal in between the cylinder walls than the LS7. So
gotcha.
Because of that, you're able to put more horsepower down without stressing the block and the cylinder heads as much. Plus, the LS7s are known for having the valve issues.
Yeah.
So I just wanted to avoid all that.
Look at all the badging, dude. Look at this.
Yeah, it's the Heritage Edition, so it's got the red stripes on the side that you guys saw.
Holy cow.
And then it's got the Grand Sport stitched in the headrest.
This is really nice. This is straight up, this is classic Corvette to me. If I think of Corvette, this is it. Can you fire it up and see how she sounds? Walked around it, we talked about it, now we're gonna get in it, and like I said, I'm appreciative for the opportunity. First time to ever drive a Corvette in my life. Maybe I'll get hooked, you never know. So we'll see what happens, man. Let me get my mounts and we'll go for a ride, bro. All right, cool. So, first time in a Corvette. Okay. Dude, this is super low. So this is super low. Go ahead.
I normally drive it with either the traction control off.
Okay.
Or I drive it, if you double tap competitive driving mode, there's
oh, cool.
Just tightens the steering and the suspension up.
This is crazy, dude. This is so cool. And let me see here, just basic.
Yeah, it's not
aftermarket
it's
here.
a 2LT. It's not fully
Yeah.
loaded up to the hill, but the guy, he put a carbon fiber dash in it.
Yeah.
The Grand Sport center console. It's a track car. It's not really,
Yeah.
you know, I didn't
It's
care.
not. It's more of a. It's not a drag car. More. It's more a track car. Yeah.
I didn't care about having heated seats and all the.
Yeah.
I was like, I just need 2 seats and a motor, and we'll be good to go.
Gotcha. I hear you, bro. All right. This feels a little bit. I feel like I'm cheating. Okay. Let me just. Is it cool to like mess your seat around and stuff?
Cool.
And let's see here. I think the only thing I know about these is, let me see, where's my stuff at? Okay, reverse. Because the Mustang has it where you flick up the thing in reverse, and like sometimes people change it, and so this is so cool.
And it does, like I said, at the short throw, so it's.
Oh, you're short. It
tight.
is short throw. Okay, cool. Oh, got a little button here. Okay, cool. Couldn't see it. I can't wait for all the Chevy guys to make fun of me because I don't know where everything is at.
See, I'm unbiased. I mean, I own a Corvette, but a Ford Mustang, I pull for LS because that's what I got.
Exactly.
I could care less, man.
Dude,
I like cars.
they're amazing. I mean, the Chevys, what they do, and for the people, the Chevy guys I do know, it's easy to make them fast and fix them. Like, it's not as...
That's another thing, just pulling this motor apart compared to the Coyotes, just...
I know, the Coyotes...
I can pull this motor apart. I mean, you watch Cletus,
yeah, exactly.
When he pulls that other car apart, they were just like, send it out, man. Just
when they do the, what is it called? Neighbor or the
Neighbor.
Pick Patrol, whatever they call it. It's like...
They're like completely lost on working on that car.
Yeah, because, you know, they're Chevy guys, and dude, I am taking risks with what I do with my car because... people don't really know the third gen freaking 5.0 that much yet. Yeah, you know, so I am taking a risk.
Oh, that is
short.
Yeah, it's
that
tight.
is super short, dude. All right, cool. Let's see. This is it. First time. Dude, I love how like I feel like I'm in a supercar right now. Like it's super low.
Yeah, it's low. It'll take a curve pretty good. And like I said, traction control's off too, so
cool.
It'll light the tires up if you...
Yeah, well, yeah, make sure I'm good because people fly out of here. Oh, this is nice. Headers?
Yeah, long tubes.
Dude, I love this gearbox, bro. I'll tell you right now, the seating position, like everything is really nice. This is actually, I thought it'd be a little bit more like uncomfortable.
Yeah.
I'm pleasantly surprised on how comfortable I am, especially because, you know, I'm a little chunky monkey here, and I figured I'd be like tight in here, but no, this is really nice, bro. Oh, she's good, bro. Woo. And also the drama of the cam rumble. And everything, it's music to your ears. Like I don't even know. Do you even listen to the radio in this thing? Like,
not really.
You know?
Not really.
Now this comes up, or what is it?
The
T-top?
the
Targa
comes
top.
off, yeah.
Dude, I get it, man. This is dope.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I miss being in California with the top off all the time, driving like 7 months out of the year.
Yeah. With the Targa top off, and that's one thing I always liked about the Corvettes is how they can take the Targa off. And you know what? I like that you're NA because I'm NA, and everybody every time like boost it.
Yeah.
Like, and I always say like you can have a lot of fun with the NA car and save the motor, and for like it actually can make it better.
Yeah.
With NA power.
I think a lot of times too, people don't realize, like, I mean, 500 horsepower on the street in a car that's 3,000 pounds. That's
yeah. How much does this weigh, bro?
It's 3,300 is the Grand Sport.
Oh man, that kick in the butt is. Dude, this is nice. Lowered it all, or is it stock suspension?
It's on the stock suspension.
It's very smooth. Like, how is it? Like, I feel low to the ground and planted. Like, I want to take turns aggressively. How is it with like speed bumps and like all that stuff?
Because since it's on the stock suspension, I really don't have a problem with speed bumps the way it is. If I lowered it, it would definitely rub. But
Gotcha.
for the most part,
I think it's great the way it is.
I mean, I've driven it a couple hours. It's not my daily, so it's not
Exactly,
not a huge problem.
Oh yeah, that torque is quick, dude. I have to get to the upper RPMs for mine to kick in.
Yeah.
But this kicks in on a low, lots faster. One of the things everyone always talks trash about is the Corvette steering wheel in these years.
Yeah, they're kind of
like
they have upgrades. And
I don't think it's that bad. I mean, that's just when I watch the video reviews of this car.
It's a GM, you know.
Yeah.
It's not. They could have done better, but
it's still a value for the dollar, like for what you get.
Yeah, most definitely. Especially for like a driver's car, if you want to go take it to the track.
Yeah, doing third gear pulls all day. She sounds delicious. And what's red line here? 65?
Actually, you can take it up to about 68. It can go into the red a little. I think when they tuned it, they took the red line up a little bit more.
Gotcha. All right, good.
If we went to the track and race, even if I had a tire, it's
exactly. Because
to beat the Mamba, I gotta be perfect, pretty much.
You gotta,
everything.
Exactly. That's the one thing where it's I have the competitive advantage, but. I will say if it was a roll or like on the street, I think this car is set up properly.
I would love to see if I got some tires for this thing.
Yeah.
In a race, I think it'd be.
Bring it, dude. Let's do it. You'll see this more on the channel. Let's just say it right now. We'll come back and we'll race each other because we have the same amount of power. Of course, I weigh with even weight reduction and myself in the car 3,800. So.
Yeah.
You know that power to weight will be very interesting to see that dynamic. So I tell you right now, for being my first time ever driving a Corvette, I am very happy with the experience. Well, hey, listen, I'm going to tell you this was an awesome experience. We are going to take this and see this at the drag strip coming up soon, and we'll have some more fun with this. But I want to say thank you for the opportunity, bro. This is a treat, and I must give credit where credit is due. These Corvettes are pretty bad, so I'm gonna bad in a good way. They're badass.
I'll give credit to the Coyotes because, like I said, even though I love all cars, but you know that's like they're like rivals. You know, I got to root for the LS.
Exactly, you got to. Yeah.
When I saw you make 500 horsepower, I was like, oh shit! I was like, I'm gonna have to go get a supercharger. So I was like, I can't be losing the Mustangs out here. I bought a Corvette not to lose the Mustangs.
Dude, I hear you. It's a good time that we live in, man.
Yeah.
And I'll probably just end this. So let me be a second gear pull. That's a little more fun. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our race coming up at the drag strip. And leave your comments below with who you're picking to win already. Because as you know, it never ends. Peace.